Hey everybody, Noel at HomeQwik, and I am in Sunny Slope again, checking on the house at 1410 East Lupine that we just rented out. We got 12 applications in 2 days, and I rented for $100 higher than I thought. But I'm also here to get my oil changed again at North Mountain Auto. You guys have met Nicole and Phillip before with North Mountain Auto. Say hi, guys.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming back.
Yeah, so this is the only place I trust now with my vehicle. We'll have Phillip's and North Mountain Auto's website in the video. But last time I was here, we talked about preparing your car for winter. And as we all know in Arizona, really summer is what you got to worry about. Phillip, any advice for summarizing your vehicle? Is that a word?
It is.
Okay.
So there's a couple things that you want to pay attention to. A few of them are tires, batteries, and your cooling system. It's a good idea to get those checked before you go on your summer family trips. So you can just call and make an appointment, and we can give you a inspection and let you know what kind of shape you're in.
Definitely don't want to be on the road to California and have your AC die. If you're my age, you always remember that happened when we were kids, so
I do.
we don't need that to happen again. Well, thanks guys, you always take great care of me here. Thanks for checking us out. Noel at HomeQwik.com. Phillip, Marcy with North Mountain Auto. What's the website?
NorthMountainAuto.com.
There you go, guys. Thanks. Talk to you soon.